Alright, so I just got home from work, came home to this package right here, and I haven't seen anybody make a video about this, so I could be extremely wrong, but I'm just gonna share my opinion with you guys. Alright, what's going on everybody? Kilar here, back again with another project. And today I am standing because my room's a mess, the desk is a mess. I didn't want to film sitting down in my room like how I usually do. Alright, so I'm going to be talking about something that I haven't seen anybody talk about yet. And it's something that I think has potential to be important. Maybe. I'm not an expert, but maybe. Alright, let's just dig in then. Alright, so first things first, we got an article from New York Times, and this article states that plastic bags to be banned in New York, second statewide ban after California. First of all, New York Times is forgetting about Hawaii because Hilo has not had plastic bags for a while. I'm pretty sure we was the first one to get rid of plastic bags because we're trying to save them sea turtles. Alright, but whatever. I guess everybody forgets that Hawaii is like the 50th state and still a part of the United States. But that's whatever. It's alright. So right here the article says, New York state lawmakers have agreed to impose a statewide ban on most types of single-use plastic bags from retail sales, changing a way of life for millions of New Yorkers as legislators seek to curb an unsightly and omnipresent source of litter. So basically, in the state of New York, in order to get rid of all the plastic bags and litter that's all over the streets, they're putting a complete ban. Disregarding like Ziploc bags for food and like trash bags, it's like the plastic bags you get at the store. Ban. Gone. Alright, so why does that matter to like a hype beast audience? You know, it's important that we take care of our planet and Mother Earth and everything like that. But for right now, we're just gonna forget the planet, alright? We're just gonna forget it. We're looking at the hype beast aspect of this and why this matters. So, because plastic bags are banned, that means this right here, these Supreme plastic bags, are no longer being made or distributed. So without these plastic bags, I don't really know if they have paper bags now. I don't have a Supreme store near me. All I know is that when I order stuff, they don't come with Supreme bags now. They just come in the package or the box. Alright, so let's think about this, right? If they stop making the plastic bags and it's a classic white canvas with just the red box logo, then I think these might be actually worth something over time, you know, as these bags get thrown away or they get damaged, lost, things like that over time, and there's less of them. This might become like a, you know, like a vintage collectible thing. And so I already have this one right here, and I have here, I think. Oh no, it's one. Alright, so I have two. So I already got two of these Supreme bags, and that brings us back to this package right here. So let's just and so in here we got, alright, so we got this beat up ugly one right here holding the rest of these. So alright, so I got a bunch of Supreme bags here. They're not in as good condition as the two that I already have, but maybe, you know, if I fold them nicely, they'll be a little bit better off. This one on the top right here has a really dark color red for the box logo. I don't know if you can see that. So I don't know if this is like fake or something, but it's definitely a darker shade of red. I don't know if this is like a fake bag, an older bag, or what this is, but I'm gonna have to look more into that. Besides that, the rest of these look alright. The color looks fine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 7? Is that it? Alright, yeah, so we got 7 more of the bags right here. I got these for pretty cheap, I think. Let me go double check how much I paid for these real quick. So I paid $21 for 7 of these bags right here. $21. Alright, move aside. $21. Not in the best condition. I'll probably keep hunting. I'm gonna try to find more of them. But right now on Grailed, which is like my #1 place to sell things that aren't brand new or things that are like freebies, because StockX, everything has to be brand new. So everything else, I'm gonna go to Grailed. On Grailed, these bags are selling for about $5 to $10 each bag. So these go for about $5 to $10. I don't think anybody's paying $10 for them. Probably closer to $5, probably less, like how I got mine for less. But let's just say right now, if I got $5 for each bag, that would be $35 for the 7 bags, which means I paid $21, but I sell it for $35. I make $14. 21, 35. Yeah, I make $14. However, if I hold on to these for a few years, and let's say that they easily go for $10 because you can't get them anymore. You can't just go buy stuff from Supreme and you get it in the bag. You have to buy it from the people who already have them. So let's just say that they go up in value because they don't exist anymore, and they easily sell for $10 each. With 7 bags, that would be $70. So instead of 35 at $5 each now, in a couple years I could get $70 for $10 each now, which means instead of making $14, I now make $49. And maybe in like 10 years they'll be worth like $20 each. And then for 7 of these bags, that would be $140, which means that I would make 119? 19 plus 21 is 40. Yes, I would make $119 as opposed to $14. So I think there is potential profit to be made on these Supreme bags. This is just my opinion. I don't know, I could be absolutely wrong. They could just not matter. But in my opinion, with the classic Supreme branding right across it, I think that it's something that has potential to go up in value now that it's no longer being produced. Personally, in my opinion, I think this would be a good time to go stock up on bags. Throw them on the side. You could just not listen to me. I could just be crazy. I'm not a scientist or anything like that. I'm just saying what I think. Alright, so just to recap and wrap up this video, there is a ban on plastic bags in New York. Therefore, Supreme can no longer make the Supreme bags. And so I don't know if these are gonna go up in value. I'm hoping that they go up in value. I don't know if the other Supreme stores not in New York are still distributing these bags, but I think eventually they're gonna do away with the Supreme bag because they already can't make it for any Supremes that are in New York or in California. So I think they might do away with the plastic bag completely. And so that's literally all I have for this video, just sharing some knowledge that I thought of for you guys. Alright, so we'll probably be doing another giveaway at about like 250 subs, another giveaway at 250 subs. Don't forget to check out brokeboyprojectunreal.com. Things for sale on there. Unless you live in Hilo, then you're going to go over to Instagram, Kilar03, DM me there instead. That is all I have for this video. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.